a new exercise, in this case with the elasticity of the demand. I have already written the data of the exercise that goes like this. A demand with an elasticity of the demand equals 1.5 has an initial price at 1.5, 2000 lei, at which the quantity demanded is 4,500. So we have a specific quantity demanded for a specific level of price 2000. And we know that the product has a demand elasticity, which is price elastic 1.5 above 1. The questions: how much we're going to have the change in quantity demanded if the price decreases by 10%. So by how much the quantity demanded will change, we're going to need a certain percentage. Then, what will be the new level of quantity demanded? Initially, we have the quantity at 4,500. It will change into a certain way, and the question is at which level it will be. Then, the question will be what is the value of trades? Okay, let's start. First of all, let me remind you something, that the elasticity of the demand in respect with price has the following formulas of computation. The change in quantity demanded in percentages due to the change in price, and please be advised we have the minus sign in front because they are reverse proportional. Okay, I mean they are reverse proportional, quantity and price. Knowing that the price decreased by 10%. So if the price decreased by 10% and they are reverse proportional, basically the quantity demanded should increase. Let's write the data. Elasticity of the demand in respect with price equals 1.5 equals with minus the change in quantity demanded in percentages divided to the change in price in percentages. Knowing that the price has dropped by 10%, that can be written as follows: minus the change in quantity demanded in percentages divided to, due to the fact that we have a decrease in price, then we're going to write here minus 10%, and the minus will signify that we have this decrease. So 1.5 equals with minus change in quantity demanded in percentages divided by minus 10%, which means that the quantity demanded will change by 15%. Due to the fact that minus with minus make it actually a plus, we're going to say that the quantity demanded will increase by 15%. Okay, how much it was at the beginning? Well, the quantity demanded initially was 4,500. What does this mean that the quantity demanded increases by 15%? It means that the new quantity demanded will be equal with initial value, at which we're going to add 15% out of the initial value. If I'm not wrong, this 15% will send the quantity demanded to, let me take a small computer, 45 times 15, 675, so it will be 5,175. The price initially, to go to point C, to the value of trades. Value of trades means price times quantity. Well, initially, price was 2,000. Quantity demanded was 4,500. Now the price drops by 10%. Dropping by 10%, it goes to 1,800. But the quantity demanded goes to 5,175. What will be in these cases the value of trades? Well, the value of trades in the first case will be 2,000 times 4,500, 9 million in the first case, and 1,800 times 5,175, 9,315,000. So basically, this seller, by deciding to drop the price by 10%, increased the quantity so much so that the value of trades increased more than the drop in price, which means that the decision to drop the price was of benefit, a benefit for the seller.